Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this, we are going to do the under benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent software update. Yes friends, just today only I did receive the first software update in the Realme GT Neo 2, which is October security patch update. And after this update, let's see what will be the under benchmark score in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'll try to show you the day 1 of under benchmark score in the Realme GT Neo 2, which I did get about close to 7,24,000. Yes friends, this is a day 1. Yes, if you see, look at the date, you can clearly see I did write the text as well, day 1 as a reminder. You can see this is the highest score I got in the day 1 of using this device. And now let's see today. We'll try to compare the both scores. So what is the score today after the recent update and what is the score in the day 1. So we'll be able to focus on the CPU and the GPU. So don't look at the memory score and the overall score. Try to look at the CPU and the GPU score, because the memory score ultimately will decrease because I did install a lot of games and applications, so it's not fair to compare the memory anyway. Try to focus only on the CPU and the GPU score after this test today. So I'm not using any kind of GT mode during this process of demonstration. So there's no GT mode enabled because on the day 1 also I did not use any kind of GT mode. That's the reason I'm trying to create the similar kind of environment at this moment. And all the apps are completely clear from the background. And temperature of the phone is also maintained very low temperatures, so nothing much huge difference. And there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, nothing at all. And right now I'll be doing the Android benchmark test using the same Antutu version which I used before. So let's start the Android benchmark test. Right now the Android benchmark test will be started, and I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures in the Realme GT Neo 2, how much higher the phone can actually reach. So this is the highest Snapdragon 870 chipset can actually score in this device. Yes, 7,24,000 is the highest so far I have seen in the Snapdragon 870. That price belongs to this device. So before, it used to be the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 has got the highest Antutu benchmark test in the Snapdragon 870 series, and now the price goes to the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the highest score. So I'm going to be back after some time, then we can actually check the temperatures about this device, what is happening. And after this update, I need to focus on a couple of things. For example, the battery life and the performance, and the camera improvements is there or not, and the network improvement is there or not. There's a lot of testings which I'll try to do for the next couple of days. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly to get to know those kind of details. So did it affect any kind of performance in this phone or not? So for that, you just need to follow the playlist, okay? Try to click the playlist and try to watch the videos which I uploaded recently. This playlist will clearly help you what is happening with the device. So again, I'll be back after some time. So till then, the test will go on continuously. And right now, I'll try to check the test and I'll try to pause this video for some time. After 52% of the Android benchmark test, let's check the temperatures. The temperature increased up to 37 degrees Celsius. You can see. So temperature is slightly higher, and the backside is of 35.6 degrees Celsius. So I can be back when the Android benchmark test gets close to 99%. Then we can actually discuss about the temperature readings. So right now we're getting close to the end of the test results. So this is our final stage of Android benchmark test. So let's see if there is any kind of changes in the CPU and the GPU. Out of curiosity only, I'm trying to exactly demonstrate this video. So I'm not saying 100% there will be a change. I'm just trying to check. So is there a change or not? That's the reason why. That's it. So will there be any kind of change in the CPU and the GPU scores? So right now we're going to find out exactly after this test. And now it finished, and 7,15,000, which is quite usual, nothing much change. So we got the CPU score 1,99,000 and GPU 2,39,000. So nothing much huge difference in the Android benchmark score. Now let me show you the scores which I did get in the day 1 of the results. So this is a day 1 which I got the results, and 1,99,000. The CPU remains to be exactly the same, and the GPU is slightly a little bit kind of less, but it varies every time. So it's not that consistent every time. It keeps on changing. So I think the temperature may be slightly kind of decreased. I think temperature a little bit. On the day 1, it increased to 7.6 degrees, and the highest 37.7 degrees Celsius on the day 1. And today the temperature increased up to 38 degrees Celsius. So I think it's kind of really same. Nothing much huge difference in the temperatures as well. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video. In this a quick test in the Android benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent first software update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.